Yeah, I like that. This is our beginner fab welder, getting him prepared to start building furniture and doing fabrication. Getting comfortable is everything. Making sure you have the proper PPE on, very important, and being confident. So it's been a while since you've been in school, man. What kind of tip can you give somebody that's got out of school and then took a minute to dive back in it? What could you tell them?
Keep going, keep striving, don't ever give up. It took me about 4 or 5 months to even get a job when I graduated high school. So now I linked up with Coach, man. We've been with him ever since. And we are to the top.
Hey, what he said, all gone.
To the top.
Getting that money, fam. You getting that money. Practice make perfect. Just never get up. Never give up. Life after welding school. All gone.